out of her hair. And just got this slime. I just put stuff in it from it. So I'm gonna be telling like a story today what happened at my school and at my after school. How I got the slime. I got like squishies. Two of them, well, one of them I got yesterday. Another one I got I want to put on my hair, but I can't. I'll be careful putting on my hair. Like, hold on, like. I'm just sorry, guys. My hair. You gotta catch it. To get on your hair. Anyways, it doesn't work. Anyways, so. I got it because after school we have like a bodega. If you guys don't know what's a bodega is like a bodega is like a store, and I had a bodega like in class, and my after school has a bodega. So, like, people buy stuff and, so my mom came. They allowed adults, so my mom came, pick me up. No, she didn't pick me up. We buy stuff. And what did we do next? So we was like buying stuff, and then there's like so many glasses that we could buy. So I bought first. My mom said I need to buy from my own store to report that to like be like nice. Then I like got squished. No, I got squishies. Guys, squishies. It was like so cute. Like, I'm gonna show you guys after this video. And then I got a milkshake. I got like 5th grade or 4th grade was like selling it. I thought it was 5th grade, but I saw like one of my BFFs, not the one but one of my BFFs that was in 4th grade. Her other BFF being 5th. I don't know what class that is. Like this year, we only have one 4th grade, one 5th grade, 2 2nd grade that I am, and 2 4th grade, 1 kindergarten. When I was in kindergarten and after school, they had 2. I don't know what happens. That keep changing. And then, anyways, so you know that, blah blah blah. So this turned out crazy. Anyways, so I was confused, but I got like so they had like, what did they have? They had like, what did they have? I was a big fan. Anyways, they had like milkshakes, smoothies, ice cream. No, milkshakes, not smoothies. Milkshakes. I got me some chocolate chip milkshake. It's so cute. It was so good. And I would say that part that they have stuff. Anyways, I forgot to tell you guys that they put first they put ice cream and then they mix it. So I was like, they're like lucky. Like my class is like one of the worst. Like was like so bad. I was like, why today? Oh my god. This stuff, these, put it back here, and another one over here, and then another one over here. Okay, there go. Anyway, guys, I just put the beads. Anyways, stop because I want to. Anyways, Cheryl, can I talk? Jeez, God, please let me talk. Please. Okay, I'm talking right now. Okay, God, pray for God. Pray for God. Oh, jeez. Oh, so, oh, I stop. God is God, praying for. Okay, let me stop. Or if I don't stop, I'm gonna delete this video and redo it. So, okay, bye guys. Never mind. Anyways, so let me show you the squishies. So this is the slime because you guys didn't like really see that much. So more stuff, but just this is the like one of the tops. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Moana. Okay, I'll stop. Moana is the cut the tenga. Cause I know that Malana. Okay, I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm singing. Sorry, that's my baby brother. Really? Say hi. Guys, I'm still.